What if I told you that most people are just 2 paychecks away from financial ruin? Would you believe me? It might sound extreme, but it's the reality hiding behind Instagram filters and leased luxury cars. The uncomfortable truth is this: no matter how much they earn, many people are living right on the edge. And when the paycheck stops, so does everything else. Not because they're lazy, not because they're irresponsible, but because they've built their entire lifestyle around looking rich instead of becoming wealthy. Before we dive into today's video, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button so this message reaches more people who need to hear it. Drop a comment below sharing your personal saving strategy. What works for you might help someone else. And subscribe to the channel for more powerful personal finance tips to help you stay ahead and build real financial leverage. All right, without further ado, let's get into the video. Most people are just 2 paychecks away from disaster. That might sound dramatic, but it's the uncomfortable truth hiding beneath the surface. Your neighbor with the Tesla? The coworker with designer shoes? The influencer on Instagram sipping cocktails in Tulum? Many of them are one missed payment away from financial chaos. And it doesn't matter whether they make $40,000 or $400,000 a year. Because income isn't immunity. If the paycheck stops, so does everything else. No backup plans, no savings, no cushion, just a sudden, jarring stop. The job is the lifestyle, and once that goes, the whole image comes crashing down. We live in a time when it's easier than ever to look rich while being broke. A new car? Lease it. A luxury trip? Throw it on a credit card. Designer bags, watches, tech, dinners. Just use Klarna, Afterpay, or a personal loan. It's not wealth, it's just spending. But because it looks like success, we assume it is success. That's the illusion. Mistaking style for substance, spending for security, flash for freedom. Behind the scenes, stress, debt, fear, and no real plan for the future. Real wealth isn't loud. It doesn't sparkle on your wrist or scream from your feed. It's quiet. It shows up in your investment accounts, your savings rate, your ability to sleep soundly at night without worrying how you'll pay the bills if you lose your job. That's the difference. Looking rich is easy. Building wealth is harder. That's why most people chase the first and never get around to the second. But here's the twist. You can choose differently. The people who build real wealth don't rely on a job. They build systems. They think in terms of ownership, not hours. They don't ask, how can I earn more with my time? They ask, how can I earn more without my time? That's the mindset shift. That's how they escape the cycle. They create positive cash flow, where more money comes in each month than goes out. And with that extra, they don't spend more, they build more. They invest in stocks, real estate, businesses, things that grow. They don't upgrade their lifestyle every time their paycheck grows. They upgrade their leverage. Here's a wild contrast. Someone earning $10 million a year sounds wealthy, right? But if they spend $9.9 million and save nothing, they're not wealthy. They just have a really good job. One layoff and it's over. Compare that to someone earning far less, but consistently saving, investing, and owning income-generating assets. One lives at their financial limit. The other builds freedom. And the truth is, the people who can actually afford luxury often don't flaunt it. The guy in the coffee shop wearing a plain t-shirt might quietly earn $40,000 a month from investments. Meanwhile, someone else pulls up in a leased G-Wagon, stressed about whether their credit card will go through for a $7 latte. If you've ever talked to people who work behind the scenes in finance, car salespeople, mortgage underwriters, financial advisors, they'll all tell you the same thing. The loudest lifestyle often hides the worst financials. They've seen it all. The person in a sharp suit, confident and ready to buy a $70,000 car, but once the credit report pulls, it's a mess. Low scores, high debt, no money down. Then someone else walks in quietly, pays cash, or gets 0% financing, by choice. No drama, no flex, just quiet confidence. Mortgage lenders see it too. Applicants trying to buy million-dollar homes who don't even have $1,000 in savings. Behind the confident exterior is panic. They're drowning in debt, barely keeping up, but clinging to the appearance of success. There's a saying for this: big hat, no cattle. And once you understand it, you start to see it everywhere. Because real wealth doesn't need to prove anything. It's not interested in validation, it's focused on freedom. And freedom isn't bought with car payments, it's built with discipline. Right now, millions of people, even those with good jobs, are one emergency away from financial collapse. Rising costs, stagnant savings, and lifestyle creep are eating them alive. But the worst part? We don't talk about it, because it feels like failure, so we stay quiet. We hide the debt, we smile through the stress, and we tell ourselves, I'll figure it out later. But later never comes. Later becomes another credit card, another payment, another year without progress. But it doesn't have to be that way. The first step to real wealth isn't earning more, it's creating margin. The space between what you earn and what you spend. That's where wealth is built. Most people use that space to consume. The wealthy use it to invest. One builds a lifestyle. The other builds freedom. And freedom is the real flex. Not financial freedom, but time freedom, mental freedom, and life freedom. The ability to say no to a job you hate. The ability to walk away from stress. The ability to build, help, create, and live on your terms. So how do you start? First, track your cash flow. Know where every dollar goes. Build a buffer. Eliminate high-interest debt. Cut the fluff and raise your savings rate. Then, when you have extra, don't ask, what can I buy? Ask, what can I build? Invest it. Grow it, let it work for you. Because once compound growth kicks in, the game changes forever. There's a tipping point in wealth building where your investments begin covering your lifestyle. Imagine needing $50,000 a year and your portfolio quietly paying it, without you lifting a finger. That's not a fantasy. It's math, patience, and discipline. And once you hit that point, every dollar you earn becomes pure opportunity. You're no longer working to survive. You're working to expand. That's when money starts moving faster than your effort. That's when freedom becomes real. Most people never get there, not because they couldn't, but because they didn't shift their mindset. They kept thinking like consumers, like employees, like spenders. But if you shift to builder, to owner, to investor, everything changes. And when that happens, you won't need to look rich, because you'll be free. And if you're feeling behind, remember this. Most people are just playing dress up with debt. They look rich. They feel broke. But you're building something real. Quietly, steadily, without needing to shout. While others chase status, you're building systems. While others post about the grind, you're making money in your sleep. That's wealth, and it doesn't show off, it just shows up. If you found value in this video, do me a favor, hit the like button, leave a comment with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe for more no-fluff, real talk finance tips that help you build wealth for life. Thanks for watching. Now go build something that lasts.